Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this I'm going to do the epic kind of speed test comparison and the RAM management test comparison between the iQOO 7 device versus OnePlus Nord 2 device. The main reason why I did mention epic kind of comparison because in this video I'm going to use the 10 games. Yes friends, 10 absolutely. I think small games, not heavy games as well. So let's see which phone can handle this kind of 10 games in the background RAM management. That's what I'm going to keep this kind of heavy task comparison between these both phones. So I do know not everyone will be playing this kind of intense kind of testing friends, but I just want to see which UI is kind of really optimized for this much high level of RAM management. That is what my main intention of making this video exactly right now. So FunTouch UI versus this ColorOS which is running in this OnePlus Nord 2. That's what I'm going to demonstrate. And all these 10 games, I will not add them into the game space. No game space and no ultra game mode will be added at all. There's something you should know, and these are completely offline based games, so no internet connection required for these all offline based games. So that's something as other thing you should definitely know about. And right now first phone to boot up is the iQOO 7 device. It boot up first, and next OnePlus Nord 2. And these are the 10 games which I'm going to do for the speed test and RAM management test comparison purpose, and all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management. Now it's good to go friends, and let's see which phone can actually handle this many games in the background RAM management. And one more quick note, in the OnePlus Nord 2 there is some kind of error and issues going on in the game space. So I did not add the Subway Surf and the Candy Crush right in the game space. You can see you cannot find those games in the game space, but still they will be enabled with the game space. I'm not sure why it's like that, but you'll be able to see it exactly. And right now ultra game mode is disabled exact. As you can clearly see, ultra game mode is disabled. Let's see. So it's a battle mobile game. As you can see friends, it started with the game space for some weird reason, as I said. So right now both phones did open the Battlegrounds mobile game, but first open in the iQOO 7 device, little bit faster. And there is a Dimensity 1200 versus Snapdragon 870 chipset. So you can see friends, again the speed iQOO 7 device little bit fast. So I'm trying to tap at same time between these two phones. So you are getting this message saying that ultra game mode is disabled only. That message which you are seeing every time. And right now the Temple Run first opened in the iQOO 7 device and then in the OnePlus Nord 2. Is a smash it game. So all these games are pretty small games only friends, not a huge heavy game. So it should not be any kind of much difficulty. But I just want to see. I want to push the limits between these both phones. So iQOO 7 did open fast. So is another game, Traffic Rider. In case if you want me to do this kind of intense testing with other smartphones, let me know in the comment section below on what smartphones you want me to compare similarly like this. I mean intense 10 games of testing. I think most of the time the iQOO 7 was able to open faster than the OnePlus Nord 2. So again the iQOO 7 did open fast. And next is Stake Balls. Let's see this game. So final game which I'm going to open is Stake Balls. So after this we'll try to check the RAM management. How is it between these both phones? So final friends, both phones I did open with all the 10 games. As you can exactly see here, all the 10 games are completely open right at this moment. Now we're going to start from the first game, Subway Surf. Let's see which phone will be having this in the background. Let's check. Even I'm not sure, but these are the tests which I'm trying to do after the recent Android 12 update in the iQOO 7 device. So iQOO 7 has got the Subway Surf but not in the OnePlus Nord 2. Here's a proof. Next is a Candy Crush. Again iQOO 7 did keep in the background, not in the OnePlus Nord 2. Same thing, Knife It. So most of the games, I think the iQOO 7 can keep this many kind of games in the background RAM management. Just imagine with the applications what you can actually do that. I mean, I have tested more than 30 applications which were in the background in the iQOO 7 device as well. Even this game got completely closed. So till now I did not find any game actually which is open in the OnePlus Nord 2. Like out of these 10 games, not even one game I think till now it did not open, unfortunately. Hill climb racing is also not there in the background RAM management. As you can see friends, like out of these 10 games, even the Angry Birds, it's not there. Every time I'm trying to show you from the multitasking, just to be clear that I did open those games in the background. So wow, finally, the one and only one game which opened in the background RAM management is only the stake balls in the OnePlus Nord 2. And iQOO was able to keep all these 10 games in the background without any kind of problem. Like, wow. As you can clearly see, friends, not bad. In terms of shifting between all the games, you can see how smooth I can actually change between all the games, all these 10 games without any kind of problems, right? And they are on successfully. And the OnePlus Nord 2, no, they're getting closed again. As you can see friends, most of the games, again the Candy Crush this start. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick, extreme and intense kind of speed test in the RAM management test. I do know, as I said, this just to push the limits. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and bye.